Larson Electronics EPPC2-30A-3PH-480V explosion-proof receptacle is recommended for use in combustible work sites, including Class 2 Divisions 1 and 2, Groups F and G. This 30-amp 600-volt rated outlet comes in a 3-pole 4-wire configuration. Constructed of copper-free aluminum with an epoxy powder coat finish, the explosion-proof accessory comes with a spring door and an interlocked disconnect switch. This receptacle mates with the Larson Electronics EPPC2-30A-3PH-480V. This explosion-proof receptacle is designed for secure electrical connections in hazardous locations. Operators may access two 3/4-inch tapped MPT hubs at the bottom of the accessory. Applications include manufacturing, industrial, warehouse, wet areas, or locations where combustible dust, fibers, or flyings are present or where explosive gases or vapors may be present. Here are the class divisions and ratings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.